Alright guys, so I'm seeing a lot of thread people having this error message when they are trying to add their bank account. Those error codes means there is a problem with your Google payment profile. Basically, Google payment profile is connected with all the Google products, including Google Adsense, Google Wallet, Google Ads, and Google Pay. So my suggestion is to wait 2 days and then try a different bank account. Let's see if it works. So if it doesn't work, you have to contact the Google Pay consumer support to fix this problem. So basically you're gonna choose here other Google product and type Google AdSense and type the error code. Click next and this add a payment method. Next step, and over here make sure you choose email, but if you want to choose other method, there's the operation time. So that's basically it, and this is their official health center article, and over here as you can see they have this error code. So and here it says check if you should contact Google support. If you have any of these error code, you have to contact them. And as you can see, they advise the same thing what I told you. So that's all I want to say in this video. If this will help you out, leave a like. See you guys next video. Also comment below if you're having more problems.